What's up, guys? I use Kittl all the time, and I'm going to show you about a really cool feature that you may not know about. It's the collaboration feature. So if you're ever designing and you wish you had like help or something like that, or if there's a specialty, something that one person does that you don't do, you can work together with someone in real time. And guess what? I got a treat for you. I got my man Juna from Detour Shirts. What's up, Juna?
Hey man, thanks for having me on, Gary. This is
All,
awesome.
all right, thank you. So he is a print on demand extraordinaire, and he's working on a project, and I'm just gonna come in. He doesn't really need me, but I'm just gonna come in, and we're going to do some Easter t-shirts, right? No
Yes.
zombies, no aliens today. We're gonna do
No.
some Easter bunnies with the twist. And if you're ready, Juna, let's get into it.
Yeah, let's get into it. Thanks so much for helping. I think this is great to get your perspective and also just work together and have fun together. I think that's a cool thing to do with Kittl. So,
Absolutely. And shout out to Kittl. So let's do it.
all right. Hey Gary, so I set up this Kittl board, and I know that they have collaboration now. So I was wondering if you could help me out with some of these designs. I made some. I know you don't usually do like these cutesy designs, but it'd be really helpful because I'm having trouble kind of putting the text with the graphics. So if you, I was thinking we could each do one
Mhm.
and kind of see, maybe take the best of each, or kind of work off each other. I like this collaboration feature. I honestly haven't used it, and you're the first one that I've used it with. So I think this will be fun to see like how we can both use our design skills and kind of collaborate. Is that cool?
That is awesome. I haven't used it either, so this will be the first time for the both of us, and I'm always here to help.
Oh, thanks, man. Yeah, I was thinking. So I made two of them. I'll work on the top one, and
Uh-huh.
you work on the bottom. We can just start from the left to the right, like this colorful. I was thinking this raccoon in an Easter basket instead of a bunny. So I was trying to think of different ones here. You can pick any one of these or make your own. But I was trying to think like, maybe not a bunny. He's kind of mischievous. He's known
Uh-huh.
as a trash panda kind of thing. So that's how I came up with all of these. So
Okay.
whichever one you want to use, yeah, let's kind of knock some of these out and get some ideas. I think this is a great way to kind of brainstorm and get different perspectives. Like, because I do it my way, but I love to see your way, and maybe that your way's better, or we can kind of mash it up.
Okay, cool. I like the idea of because I was looking, I was like, that's a funny looking bunny.
Yeah,
But,
yeah, it's a raccoon.
yeah, but it's a raccoon, and
Uh-huh.
I think it's awesome.
All right.
So notice that you have some. I'm just going to move this over the side. Notice that you
Yeah.
have some words right here,
Yes. Yep.
and I love these Pharaoh Easter. I love Trashy Easter, Mister
Yeah.
Steve Eggs. These are awesome.
Thanks, man.
Um, so let's. I think I'm gonna take this Trashy Easter if that's all right
Oh,
with.
yeah. I like that one too. I might have to use that one and see what I can come up with.
Oh, you know what? I'll take Mister Steely Eggs then. I'll let you rock out.
Oh, okay. Either one. Either one. That's
Um,
fine.
so as you can see, I took that down,
Yeah.
and I'm going to. So which one you going to do?
I'll do the top one.
Okay. Which, and I'm gonna go right here.
All right, let's do
And
this
what's
together
amazing about this is that how we could do this both. Oh, let
at the
me.
same time. Yeah, so it saves time while we're both doing it. Hopefully,
So
we
I'm
can
right
see.
here, and I'm gonna change the color, and I'm just
Yeah,
gonna eye drop that pink. Oh,
nice.
hold on, hold on. Where did it go?
All right, so right here, I am speeding it up. This is really just to show you guys how the collaboration feature works. Two people can work at the same time.
So how I do it, and I've been doing this for you. I always like get my words
Uh huh.
right, and then um, I'll like have my words ready,
Yeah.
and like I have a set of words like this on the side, and I'll take the words and I'll play with the fonts,
Oh, nice. Yeah,
and
that's a good
and
idea.
then I'll add the font just to see, because like I don't know, art and font, it's like a marriage, you know,
Yeah.
and no matter what, there's always a font that looks better with the style of art. It's hard to explain.
Yeah, it kind of matches the art style, right? Of
Yeah,
the
yeah.
yeah,
Like right here, if you look down, like that's real generic. I would never put that out. But
right.
I'm gonna go over here and play.
Play with some fonts.
Yeah, play, because fonts, it's like a scoring. It's like if you ever hear a movie,
Yeah,
you put the score, and if it's dun 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 dun, you know it's action, or if it's like,
correct.
you know, it's like it helps tell the story. The font
Yeah,
helps tell the story of
I
whether it's
I
trippy,
totally agree.
fun.
Yeah, yeah, because this one's kind of more fun, kind of
Yeah.
rounded, cartoony. So that's the kind of the thing that we're looking for. Yeah, I agree. That's why I did that rounded for the trashy Easter one. I
Uh-huh.
picked that font because it's a little more rounded, and we have like rounded eggs and rounded, lines here. And so I tried to make it more comical. And
Uh-huh.
then I like pairing script fonts with non-script fonts, script fonts with like either sans serif or serif font. So that's why I'm doing both on here. So I got this trashy one, which is a script one,
Mm-hmm.
with Easter, which is not script, and then I'm doing the same thing here. Bunnies in a kind of a script font, and then overrated's not script. So yeah, I like that it's so easy to pick the colors on here, so I don't have to once I have a color in my swatch, it knows that this blue is already there, and so I don't have to worry about picking another blue. I mean, or trying to find that same blue. It's already baked
Yes.
in.
And at the bottom, all your colors are there. So you could
Yeah,
just do another color palette.
correct.
See, good job, Kittl. Keep up the good work.
Love it.
Let's see here. I'm just trying to find so many fonts you can get. Like I'm getting
Oh yeah.
lost here
Oh
of choosing
yeah.
one, but I'm
It's
looking.
good and bad. It's good that they have so many fonts, but it's bad that you're like, oh no, what about this font? You kind of second guess yourself, like maybe there's a better font out there that I can use. Right?
Well, there used to be. I'm sure you noticed, but they started out as a font company.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. That's
Heritage
right.
Type, I believe it was Heritage Type.
That's right. Which is why they have so many cool fonts, and they keep adding more cool fonts, and their text effects are great. That's what I love about, like, nobody else has these text effects like this. That's so easy. The transformation, the text shading, the text decoration, like all of
Yes.
that, all built in one app. Which, like, you may be able to do it in Photoshop if you're a Photoshop wizard, but it's kind of tricky if you're new. But here, it's just so easy
And very intuitive.
and intuitive. Yeah,
Yeah.
they're graphic designers themselves, so they know how to use it and what graphic designers need. So
Yeah, but you know, I'm like, I don't know what's going on. I'm oh, what would be, we're not, this is not what we're doing, guys, but you know what, this would be great is like we could have, you could work with different people, and we
yeah,
could have like a design off, you know, like,
yes, we should do that.
yeah, like we'll have, like those shows.
Yeah,
You ever see the cooking show where we give them like
yes,
eggs and such, and they have to come up with a dish?
yes, yes. We should do that. We
It'll
should
be,
have like three or four people, and then we could be the judges or something. I don't know. That'd be.
yeah. That's awesome. Okay. I'm gonna use this one. I like this. I'm gonna use this one.
I'm gonna try something else with this guy.
Guys, there's going to be a link for Kittl down in the description box. Check it out. If you, your team, or your friends, if you guys want to brainstorm on designs, this is a great way to do it.
This is cool.
You know what I really like about this is that you could brainstorm at the
Yeah,
same time.
yeah, yeah. And then we could look at each other and like, hey, what do you think if this
Yeah,
was this or whatever? Or we could be working on two different ones at the same time. Like right now we're working on the same ones, but if we came up and, wanted to do that as well, we could just be like, you work on this one, I work on this one, and then we'll switch or something. I
Yeah,
don't know.
yeah.
That could be fun.
I
The disadvantage
no,
if I did your style.
yeah, no. I used to, I used to do girls.
Oh, you did? I didn't know that.
Yeah, no, I used to do. Well, this is what I used to do for a living. I was a graphic designer.
Yeah.
And I worked for like 7 years. I did girls T-shirts for Aeropostale.
Really?
Yeah,
Oh, no
yeah.
way.
And it was and people would always like, and they did really, really well. And people would always see me and be like, "That's the guy doing all those little cutesy, all those little cutesy girl
Yeah.
T-shirts." Yeah, but that's what I did for several years. So this
Wow.
is
Bringing you back, huh?
it doesn't matter. The stuff that I do, that's like the stuff that I like. I like. Everybody knows me. If you see my video, you're gonna see a zombie or an alien. It's become like my little running joke. Like, what alien kind of thing am I gonna do this week?
That's awesome.
So I just thought of something, right? Because of I was like, it's a bunny for Easter, right?
Yes.
I'm putting a whole bunch of them together. So I'm writing, "This is my Halloween costume for the bunny."
Oh, nice. Oh, you came up with a new one. That's great.
Yeah. It just came to me, so I went with it.
This is cool. Yeah, I can see like if you had a team too. Like I know some people work in teams.
Yes.
This would be great for that. So they have, maybe more than 2 people, 5 people working on here. That'd be kind of cool.
Yeah, and just like that, Kane, you could be working on a team. You could be working, and stuff starts coming to you, right? Just like this,
Yes.
you just hey man, let's keep going with it.
So
okay, so
cool. We did it.
I am. Hold on, let me zoom out. This is great.
Yeah.
Like, and so for people out here, if you ever want to, yours look really cool. If you ever want to do a collaboration, you can go right in and work with your team, with your friends, and you can make some really great designs, man. Thank you so much. And
thank you, Gary. You know what I was thinking too? Like just having, like, a lot of times we just work alone. So this is cool to kind of get to know each other as well as design. So like we're working, but we're also, meeting together, which is kind of nice. So I think that's cool.
This is awesome. And it's so many times where I don't know about you, but I work by myself and you're isolated. So to do something like this, you could have design hour, get you some, for me, coffee, for you, juice. I don't know.
I love juice. I do love
and rock out, man. But I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Thanks so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Thanks, Gary.
All right. I'll see you guys later.
T-shirt help desk.